$1 trillion wave of AI investment is flooding into Texas right now. And if you're thinking about buying a home, where you buy in the next 12 months will determine your net worth for the next 30 years. Get it right and you're set. Get it wrong and you'll miss the biggest wealth building event of the decade. I'm not talking about hype, I'm talking about data. I'm going to show you the exact neighborhoods that are already seeing a surge from this boom, and the 3 you need to be looking at now before prices explode. I track this data daily. In fact, I've just analyzed every single new construction sale in one of Texas's hottest markets from the last 90 days, and the story the data tells is crystal clear. It's not just Tesla and Oracle anymore. We're talking about companies like Apple's AI expansion in Austin, NVIDIA's massive presence, and a dozen new chip manufacturers and data centers setting up shop from Sherman to San Antonio. This means tens of thousands of high-paying jobs are coming now. Here's a real estate question. High-paying jobs plus massive migration equals insane housing demand. But you can't just buy anywhere in Texas. You have to be strategic. You have to target the supply-constrained corridors with direct access to these hubs. Neighborhood number 1, the established tech corridor, Northwest Austin and Williamson County. The thesis is simple. This is a direct beneficiary of the Apple campus and the expanding tech corridor along the 183 and 45 tollways. The data doesn't lie. Look at this. In the last 90 days in Liberty Hill, builders like Highland Homes and Perry Homes closed over 120 homes at an average price per square foot of $213 per square foot. That's a 15 to 20% premium over other areas, and it's still selling. This is sustained high demand growth, not just a bubble. Cities like Cedar Park, Leander, and Liberty Hill are ground zero for Austin's tech overflow. Neighborhood number 2, the emerging affordability hub. The I-35 corridor north of Austin, specifically Georgetown and Gerald. This is where the smart money is going for explosive growth. When prices in Austin proper become unattainable, the workforce has to move somewhere with infrastructure and new construction. Look at Gerald. The data shows builders like Lennar and D.R. Horton closed 119 homes at an average of $164 per square foot. This is the most affordable new construction in the entire Austin metro area. With thousands of jobs coming to the region, this price point is a ticking time bomb for appreciation. Georgetown is the more established version of this, with massive volume from Perry Homes and Brightland. Neighborhood number 3, the strategic wildcard, San Antonio's I-35 corridor. I know this is an Austin-focused channel, but you can't talk about the Texas AI boom without mentioning San Antonio. It's becoming a massive data center and cybersecurity hub with a much lower cost of entry. While I don't have the specific data set for San Antonio here, the principle is still the same. Look for cities along the I-35 corridor between Austin and San Antonio, like New Braunfels and Schertz, where you get access to both job markets and superior affordability. The infrastructure investment here is enormous. So here's how your game plan to capitalize on this. Step number 1, define your profile. Are you a tech employee needing the established corridor? That's pick number 1. Or are you a first-time homebuyer or investor seeking maximum growth? That's pick number 2. Or maybe you're looking for the next big opportunity with a lower barrier to entry. That's pick number 3. Step number 2, focus on infrastructure. In any of these areas, target communities with easy access to major highways like I-35, the 183, or 45. That's a non-negotiable for the commuter workforce. And lastly, step number 3, act with new construction data. Use data like my Williamson County report to see which builders are active and what the true price per square foot is. This tells you where the market is actually headed, not where it's been. To make this easy for you, I've created a free Texas AI Boom Homebuyers Guide. It breaks down these 3 neighborhoods in detail, including the top builders to watch, key price points, and specific market indicators I'm tracking. Download it for free at the first link in the description. Now, maybe you're looking at Austin, or maybe this video has you thinking about San Antonio. Either way, my team and I are plugged into a network of top agents across Texas. If you're serious about buying one of these high growth corridors, book a free, no obligation Texas relocation strategy call with me. We'll analyze your situation and connect you with the right expert, whether that's me or someone in my network, to ensure you make a smart investment. The link to my calendar is in the description. The AI boom is here. Don't just watch it happen from the sidelines. Get the guidebook, book a call, and let's get you positioned. If you found this data-driven look at Texas real estate valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to more insights every week.